The manual says to stay 15 meters behind. 15 feet, okay.
Now it's on stage 1, so what it's going to do is it's going to put a little bit of fuel to get the engine up to 75 degrees Celsius.
Love the smell of fresh diesel in the morning. Now, thanks to you guys for supporting our last videos, we were able to order a jet engine. And it should be coming, I think it's here. Oh my God. Someone's gonna get hurt. Purchasing this was a bad business.
That's not it.
It's even got that burnished coat.
Yeah.
Like, do they purposely do that, or that's it? It's time to test the jet engine. So the manual says to stay 15 meters behind. 15 feet, okay.
We're going to go through 3 stages. First, it's going to spin it up with ignition. It warmed up the glow plug. It's going to input a little bit of fuel to get the engine up to 75 degrees Celsius.
Love the smell of fresh diesel in the morning.
Chances are it's cold outside, so it might actually fail stage 1. Ignition, 74 degrees Celsius.
I just drank a liter of gas in this test. A whole liter. It's gone now. I bought that gas can just for you. I was like, that's a cool gas can. Sergeant would like that. That's a lot of fire.
Probably less to start up.
I've seen better days, but we don't really want to wreck a brand new one. So we're going to use this guy to survive the rebar crossbow, but his face is still pretty good, so we'll be able to see the face melting in action. I think so.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, 104.
Got to 700 degrees. I want the max temperature.
Roast yourself to pieces more than cooking. Some nicely cooked sausage. You want some? I did it! You did it! Alright, that was freaking awesome. Though I am getting a bit nervous about strapping jet engines anywhere near my body.